Hi everybody. As a YouTuber, I always look for things of interest to put on our channel. This is June the 20th, 2023. This is a Tuesday morning, a rainy Tuesday morning, and I am in Hopkinsville, Kentucky, at the Goodwill in Hopkinsville, Kentucky. And I never know what I'm gonna see, and because I have the mindset of a YouTuber, I do look for things of great interest to put on our channel. And of course, because we are a Christian channel, this definitely is something that stood out to me, and I'm just absolutely fascinated by this vehicle. It's obviously meant to be looked at. It's meant for somebody to look at it and talk about it. So let's look at it and talk about it. I wish that the person who drove this vehicle, I wish they were around, but like I said, I am outside the Goodwill in Hopkinsville, Kentucky. So let's start talking about this, and if they come out, that would be great. So I'm gonna get back at a distance so you can see it more, and then we're gonna look at it up close and personal. So let's just start walking over it from this side right here. So read it with me. Prayer cards for kids, www.teachkidsprayer.com, and then there's some phone numbers there. I absolutely love this vehicle. So let me kind of pan down here. This is an incredible paint job. I don't know if that's like a paint or some type of wrapper around it. Surely it's not just paint, but I don't know. See, here's the paint right here, and then let me check that out. So, never before project. So, lethal faith. We've lost our last child from the church, attrition and retention. So then you have a soldier holding a flag. You have law enforcement officers, firemen. Teach kids to pray for. School bus with kids getting on the school bus. Let's see, help us. Oh, the E is coming up there. I have to put the E down. Help us make America one nation under God. Let's see. The purpose of this project is to reach kids of all ages, from children in preschool to teens in high school, and teach them to pray, to learn, love, honor, and respect, and to learn who they are in Jesus Christ. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that boy laying his hand on the other boy's head as they're holding hands in prayer. Look at that. Train up a child in the way that he should go, and when he is old he will not depart from it. Proverbs 22:6. And we've got some praying hands. Now, I wish I could stand up on something here to show you the hood of this vehicle. Never forgotten our fallen heroes. Sergeant William Patrick Rudd, 3rd Battalion Army Ranger, killed in action on October the 5th, 2008. I'm not sure what OIF stands for. I don't know what that means. pray for their families. So I can stand up here. Like I said, it's a rainy, starting to rain. Okay, there's the Train Up a Child again. Okay, so basically it's the same imagery on both sides. It's the same imagery on both sides of the vehicle, just mirror image. I like the dog. Alright, so both sides of the vehicle have the same thing on them, just the mirror image. Help us make America one nation under God again. Well, they certainly caught my attention. Alright, well, this is what I'm looking at the Goodwill in Hopkinsville, Kentucky. And I just wanted to share that with you all, because it's not often that you get to see something like this. That takes a bold statement of faith, and I'm really proud of whoever drives this vehicle.